Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk channel. I'm Anna, and we're really glad you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo. Thanks for joining us. Today's conversation is about something very common and very useful, going to a coffee shop.
Right, this is one of those everyday situations where many English learners feel a little nervous, even if they understand the language pretty well.
Exactly. And one thing many people don't realize is that in busy coffee shops, you usually only get in line when you already know what you want to order.
Oh, that's true. I've noticed that. People often stand by the menu first, figure out what they want, and then join the line. It keeps everything moving smoothly.
Yes, it's kind of an unspoken rule. If you're not ready, you might slow down the line, and nobody wants that.
So today, we'll go through a full, natural conversation you might hear in a real coffee shop in the US, and we'll show you how it's okay to look at the menu first before joining the line.
And before we start, if you enjoy calm, real-life English conversations like this, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. It really helps us continue making these videos.
All right, let's get started.
Hi there, welcome in.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How's your day going so far?
Pretty well, thanks. I was looking at the menu, and I think I know what I want now.
Awesome. What looks good to you?
I'm thinking of trying something smooth, not too sweet. Actually, what exactly is a latte?
Good question. A latte is basically espresso with steamed milk, so it's creamy, smooth, and not too strong.
Ah, that sounds nice. I've heard the word latte a lot, but I wasn't always sure what it meant.
It's a really common choice if you want something mild and easy to drink.
If you're watching and that word is new for you, feel free to repeat it out loud. Latte.
And if that wasn't clear, you can listen again. Repetition really helps.
I think I'll go with a latte then.
Great. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
And would you like whole milk, oat milk, almond milk, or something else?
Oat milk would be great.
Sure thing. Any flavor in that? Vanilla, caramel, or just plain?
Just plain is fine.
All right. Anything else for you today?
Maybe something small to eat as well.
No problem. Are you looking for something sweet or savory?
Something light, maybe a pastry.
We have croissants, muffins, and banana bread.
The banana bread sounds good. Is it very sweet?
Not too sweet. It's pretty balanced.
Okay, I'll take that.
Great choice.
Before I pay, can I ask you a quick question?
Sure, go ahead.
What does savory mean? You mentioned it earlier.
Good question. Savory means food that's not sweet. Things like cheese, eggs, or sandwiches.
That's helpful. If you're watching and that word is new, try saying it out loud. Savory.
And don't worry if you forget it later. Hearing it again in context will help. All right, so that's 1 medium latte with oat milk and 1 banana bread.
That's right.
Your total comes to $8.75.
I'll pay with my card.
Go ahead and tap or insert your card when you're ready.
Okay, done.
Would you like your receipt printed or emailed?
Printed is fine.
All right.
Thank you.
What name should I put on the order?
Anna.
Got it. We'll call your name when your order is ready.
Thanks. While we wait, this is a good moment to just listen and relax.
That's right. Coffee shops are great places to practice listening to English, especially if you first check the menu and know what you want.
You can hear real conversations all around you, and you don't need to understand everything. Just getting used to the sound helps a lot.
Anna,
That's me.
here's your latte and banana bread.
Thank you. It smells really good.
Hope you enjoy it.
I'm going to sit down for a few minutes and enjoy this.
Sounds like a good plan.
The coffee is really smooth. I'm glad I checked the menu first and knew what to order.
Of course, being prepared makes the whole experience easier and less stressful.
If you're watching this video, remember, you don't need perfect English to order coffee.
You just need simple words, a calm voice, and a little confidence.
And it's okay to ask questions or ask someone to repeat something.
Most people are happy to help.
Before we finish, let's remind everyone again.
If you found this conversation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Listening regularly will help you feel more comfortable speaking English in real life.
Try watching again and repeating the phrases out loud.
Little by little, your confidence will grow.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
We hope this conversation helps you the next time you go to a coffee shop in English.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Goodbye for now, and happy learning.